G'day everyone, got Chris out here with his 6.5 this time. It's a Ruger Precision. He's got the Zero Tech scope on top. Hand loads. Are you still using the Hornady projectiles? Are they 130 or 140s?
140s.
140 grain. It's a beautiful rifle, that one. It does shoot very well, and Chris is very good at it. So he's had his two sighters. This second one's a 4. He's just at maybe about 5 o'clock. He's not far off the mark, so that's his two sighters, and he's got 10 rounds to go. As you can see, it's blown a gale now. The wind's really picked up. Those flags are just about standing straight. He's just on the outside, but he's got his elevation right. He just needs that wind to take it over to the left, and he's on. Oh, now he's on. He's got the V. Another V. Oh, a little bit high. That one's at 11 o'clock. Five. He's getting them in there. Oh, another V. And a 5. That one's just a little low, a little to the left. Oh, I think you rushed that one. That was a bit of a pull. Maybe a pull on the trigger. And look at those flags dancing. These aren't the best shooting conditions, and he's doing really well. V! He's back in there. Nice shooting, Chris. Well done, buddy. Let me have a look in. Wow, look at them all in the middle there. Bloody good shooting, mate. Well done.
It looks better if you go like that.
Yeah, they normally are with you.
Zoom it in.
Zoom it in. Zoom out. Zoom out. Makes it look better. All right, there you go. Windy conditions. Weapon is clear. Needs to clean though, mate. Jesus. Who cleans your rifles? That needs some work. All right, guys. Yeah, he did well. He did really well. For the win, he did excellent. So yeah, like and subscribe, and add a comment.